Hello guys, this is Ben with Joe's Game Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to tear down a Series 9 45mm Apple Watch. This is the LTE variant. The way you know is it will have this red dial on the crown. You can see it is pretty much identical to the Series 8. There's not much of a difference other than the screen is a little more fragile, I believe, but there's not a big significant difference in the appearance. I would say it looks very similar to the Series 8 as well as the Series 7. All the tools that you see that I'll be using will be linked down below. You'll need a spudger for this teardown, a flathead, a Joe's 0.6 screwdriver. A 0.7 will work as well. Both of them work very well. In this video, I'll be using the 0.6 Joe's. Then we have the Joe's metal pry tool. You'll also need a heat gun, some alcohol. That should be all you need for this. So let's just get straight into the teardown. So first off, we're gonna start by getting our heat gun and setting it to about 180 degrees. And we're just gonna go all around just like this. As you can see, the screen is hot now. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our metal pry tool, apply a little bit of alcohol to it, and begin by prying all the edges up like this. Just add a little bit of pressure and just keep applying alcohol and go all around the edges. There we go. We've got the screen now off. You can see the screen still works. It's always make sure it works after you take it off. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our plastic spudger and disconnect the screen. So we're just gonna put these back just like that. Put the spudger away. We're gonna begin by trailing this tape back all the way here and disconnecting it. And the way I do it is just like this. Go very slowly. And then once you get to the end, you're just gonna push it this way and do not pull it up. Just push, just kind of grab it and then pull this way, just like that. It should just disconnect very easily. Put the screen aside. We're gonna grab our plastic spudger again. We're gonna begin to disconnect the battery. And the way to do it, it's very easy. You just kind of go in there to here, just like that, and then just kind of pry it up. Should be very easy. Grab our Joe's 0.6 screwdriver, unscrew the screw that is holding down the battery. Grab our plastic spudger and disconnect the battery. Here we have it. We've got the battery off. Now we got to take off the Taptic engine. The Taptic engine has 3 screws. One right there, and one right there. So let's get those out of the way.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repairs so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Once we have that out of the way, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold the Taptic engine up like this and then disconnect the Taptic engine connection. Just pull the Taptic engine out, put it aside. Now we're just gonna pull this little ribbon piece back a little, just like that. We have this connection, and then we have another connection right behind here. So let's disconnect all 3 of these. And then we could also disconnect this one right here. This is for the Taptic engine. Just like that, put it aside. Once we got all those disconnected, you will begin by taking off the main screws and disconnect all of the connections. We will now begin by taking these screws off, and there's 3 more on this side. They're hidden behind this black tape, and that is holding down the motherboard to the housing. So let's begin by taking all those off. Alright, once you've taken all, in total there should have been 6 screws. Now we're going to put the watch on the back so we can see the back cover. We're going to begin by heating up the back cover so the adhesive loosens up and it'll be easy for it to come off. And just heat it up just like so. Once you feel that it is hot, you'll grab your flathead and then put it in this hole right here. And then you're just going to kind of press and push, and then the back cover should just come off just like that. It does need a little bit of force. And there we go. We have the whole unit now disconnected. Here is the housing. Here's the motherboard on the Series 9 45 LTE. And here is the back cover. And there we go. That is how you take apart a Series 9 45mm Apple Watch. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little teardown. All the tools and parts that you see in this video will be linked down below. And if you do not feel comfortable in maybe doing a repair yourself, or if you need a repair done, you could always send it in to us. There'll be a repair form down below. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day or night.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.